Lazy vault. The lazy vault is performed much like a speed vault, but it comes into play when you are approaching a rail from an angle with less momentum. It is a useful technique because it doesn't take as much speed in your run-up to make it over the obstacle, and because you can shift your direction in the air to adjust your path after the obstacle. You will be approaching the obstacle from an angle of at least 45 degrees with less speed than you might if you were running straight on. This becomes useful if you're coming out of another technique with little room to run between the two. Your final step should be taken a few feet from the base of the obstacle, with the foot that coincides with the hand you will be vaulting with. So if you're taking off with your right foot, you should be grabbing the obstacle with your right hand. Your final step, in combination with the push and pull motion of your lead hand, will provide the boost to overcome the obstacle. As your legs and torso begin to come to a point even with the plane of the obstacle, you will begin to rotate your torso and bring your trailing hand towards your hips, near the spot where your lead hand is resting on the wall, essentially swapping hands. Once you adjust your rotation, it's merely a matter of preparing to absorb the shock of the landing and quickly continue on your way. The lazy vault is good for areas where you don't have a lot of room to maneuver.